Hello mga ka-good vibes! Ayan, so as you can see, I'm here on my favorite spot, my kitchen. So without further ado mga ka-good vibes, I'm going to show you how to make simple breakfast. That's all ingredients I have is eggs, tomato. So I'm using a Land O'Lakes yellow American cheese. So also as you can use cherry tomato. So since I have one tomato large, so I don't want to waste it. So wheat bread, so it's up to you. You can use white or wheat bread. Okay. Without further ado, let's do it. Yeah. So we have to plot the bread using this. So, moving on. Good. Ang hirap naman ito. Ang hirap naman ito. Parang relasyon. Charot. Silang yun. Next step is we have to fold. Yeah. Put natin yun dyan. Make some nest. Para tayong gumagawa ng nest. There you go. cheesy egg nest. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.